Today's objective.
Pokeball, go!
Yep, you guessed it, Pokemon.
Wait.
It's actually pretty late right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed, so I'll see you in the morning. Guys, you're not gonna believe what I just found. A flippin' Caesar EX. That's a nice card.
Early the next morning.
Guys, I just got back from Walmart. I have this bag, so I'll go ahead and open this. And I'll show you what I got from Walmart. Give you a sneak peek. There you go. We got this Pokemon Ultra Beast, Necrozma GX, and then it's the Dawn Wings one. So yeah, it's a pretty cool tin art. We got Solgaleo, and then Lunala. So this is a pretty cool tin. We're gonna go ahead and open this up. We'll go ahead and throw that over there. Oh wow, okay, I'm pretty excited for this. So we'll go ahead and open this up. We got our first card right here. Let's get it out. Okay, so we have the card. I'll go ahead and give that code away. There you go. Okay, awesome. So right away, I'm gonna sleeve this card. So I'll go ahead and actually let's do it upside down. Okay, so right away I sleeve the card, so it doesn't get damaged, anything like that. I'll go ahead and put that in the back. You guys can see that. Alright. So now we have our packs. Hopefully we're doing good. I'll go ahead and put the lid back on this tin. You can put that in the back too. You guys probably can't see it because it's up higher, but alright, so we have our packs. I'm pretty sure there's 4 packs. Yeah, 4. So the first pack is an Ultra Prism pack, Sun and Moon. We have a Crimson Invasion pack, pretty cool. Steam Siege, that's really cool. And then last but not least, Fates Collide. Let's go ahead and get into the first pack. I think I'm gonna rearrange this, so let's do Steam Siege, Fates Collide, Sun and Moon, and then we'll save the Sun and Moon for last. Actually, no, we'll do Crimson Invasion last. Yeah, we'll do that. Okay, so first pack. So I'll go ahead and give away that code. There you go. Okay, we'll go to the back. I believe it is 3 to the front. Yeah, 3 to the front. Alright. So we got Skiploom, Hawlucha, Tangrowth, Litwick, Joltik, Fungus, Bergmite, Mareep, we have our reverse hollow. But then here is our rare. Okay, we have a Galvantula rare. That's actually pretty cool. It has the double energy, so that's a pretty cool card. We'll go ahead and put that in the back because that's our rare. Okay. So next up we have Fates Collide. So go ahead and open this. Okay, I'll go ahead and give this code away. There you go. Okay, 3 to the front. Okay. Okay, Fossil Excavation Kit. Interesting. I'm gonna put that down. Okay. Okay. Wormadam. Zygarde. Coughing. Cottony, Larvitar, Volibee, Fennekin, sorry, Minico, I forgot how to pronounce that, and Marowak. No GXs yet. Come on, we gotta do something. Okay, we got this pack. So I'm pretty sure this is Sun and Moon, yeah, so it's 4 to the front. Okay, I'll go ahead and give that away. There you go. Okay. 3, 2, or actually I think it's 4 to the front. Yeah, 4 to the front. Okay, Leaf Energy. Oranguru. Prinplup. Unit Energy, that's pretty cool. Yanma. Drifloon, Buizel, Rylu, Gibble, Gameo, I think, and 3, 2, 1. Campoleon. We're going to put that one in the back. Alright guys, we have like nothing. We have this GX, that's about it. Can we get some last pack magic? Can we get some last pack luck right here? Hopefully. So far all the codes, let's see. Yeah, so far all the codes have been green, so that's not very good. But we'll go ahead and hopefully this last pack is better. If not, but this is Crimson Invasion, Sun and Moon. Last pack. Hopefully this does good. Okay guys, I'll go ahead and give away this code. There you go. Let's go ahead and do 4 from the back, I'm pretty sure. And to the front. Ooh, can we get some last pack magic? Come on people. Water Energy. Staravia. Physics Memory. Excelgor, Skiddo, Starly, Nummel. How do you pronounce that? Kamiko? I don't even know. Bunnelby. Komo-o. Reverse round, I'm pretty sure. And last but not least, can we get some last pack magic? Hopefully.
Got it!
Okay, we got ourselves a hollow Alolan Raichu. So that is a pretty cool card. I'll rerun through all these that we got. We got Marowak, Empoleon, Alolan Raichu, hollow. Galvantula, and last but not least, this sick Necrozma GX. So, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe down below. If you want to see some more Pokemon unboxings, then make sure you comment down below and tell me what you want to see down below. Tell me what you want to see me open, and I'll go ahead and do that, hopefully. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace.